Isa ka bang employee, OFW or first-time home buyer? Ito yung single attached house na swak sa'yo. At oo, malapit pa sa SLEX at CALAX. Imagine this, may sarili ka ng bahay, hindi condo, hindi row house, single attached na may parking. And for the monthly down payment, for as low as 8,500 pesos lang for 18 months. And the reservation fee is 10,000 pesos lang. Pero ang pinaka-importante dito, malapit sa SLEX, malapit sa CALAX, malapit sa National Highway, near SM Santa Rosa at Daily Essentials. Ibig sabihin, mas mabilis ang biyahe, mas konti stress, mas sulit ang sweldo mo. Kung employee ka, OFW or first-time home buyer at gusto mo ng bahay na kaya ng budget at malapit sa work, message me now para ma-secure mo yung mga best-selling locations namin bago maubos ang units. And let's see kung ikaw na yung next na matutulungan namin magkabahay.